What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about, does Shaquille O'Neal really own Elvis Presley and Forever 21? Let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Does Shaquille O'Neal, I'm talking Shaq Attack, really own Elvis Presley and Forever 21? You know, the girl shop? Nah, but anyway, the short answer is yes, but no. What? Yeah, I know, right? But the real story is how he did it and why you can do the things the way he do the things. Nah, for real, you can do things like this if you start it now. But real quick, if you don't know about Shaquille O'Neal and who he is, he's a retired basketball star. He's won multiple championships, multiple rings. He's been making big news with his business savvy moves. And I want to break them down a little bit in this video as we do. You know what I mean? The Wealth Builder's way. So, Shaquille O'Neal's estimated net worth is said to be $400 million. He is the joint owner of 155 Five Guys Burgers restaurants, 17 Aunt Andy's Pretzels restaurants, 150 car washes, 40 24-hour fitness centers, a shopping center, a movie theater, and several Las Vegas nightclubs as per NBC Sports. Wow. Shaq says, my real business is I own 50 brands, Shaq explained. So when I was retiring, I'm looking around, I'm like, how does Michael Jackson and all these guys live forever? So one of the chapters in the book, Joint Ventureship, so I called the three companies, seemingly authentic brand groups, Simon Property Group and Brookfield Property Partners, that help people live forever. And they bought my brand for a lot of money. So I took half that money, put it back in the company. Now I'm the number 2 guy in the company. Shaq did not clarify what percentage of these brands he's owed or if they were bought outright. The Hall of Famer said he could have easily sold his brand and likeness he worked so hard to build, but that would give investors the right to do as they please and potentially push him to the background. I put my money back in the company and now I own all of those other brands. So if Shaq ever goes away, we still got Elvis. So that's what he said, right? So to break it down, Shaq has to become the majority investor. He has become the majority investor in these companies that own these brands like Elvis Presley Enterprises, Forever 21, and Marilyn Monroe. So if he is one of the top investors in the company and purchased a large percentage, then he owns these brands through the companies he's bought, okay? It's a very smart business move, and this is an awesome way to create financial freedom and wealth by buying and investing in other companies. This should be all of our goals to create family wealth, not just to be working and working and working. So I know you're wondering, how can you do it too, right? Well, I have an ebook that can break down how to invest in businesses and do so much more to build passive income outside of your job. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke. Signing off for, does Shaquille O'Neal really own Elvis Presley and Forever 21? Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.